most organizations, a functional layout is established. Functional layouts are by far the most common layout you will find in organizations. These layouts can be seen in how machines and people are positioned. A functional layout is a workspace configuration in which operations and processes are organized by the type of work or function that they do. In these functional layouts, people are trained to perform work on one machine and one machine only. As you can see in the example, drill presses are all together. Assembly is together. Inventory and milling machines are all placed together. While these functional layouts may be easy to set up, they take no regard for the sequence of operations. In other words, the process to manufacture an item is a bit chaotic. In this circumstance, you need to first understand the current process or flow of production. In the example, you see a layout of the plant is drawn and arrows guide the flow of production. Numbers are used to identify the answers to the following questions. Where does the process begin? And where does the process end? This is a very simplified way that you can establish a very basic spaghetti diagram. Now let's stretch your mind a bit. In the upcoming assignment or comments section of this module, it's your turn to choose a production process in your place of work. Once you've selected a process, then you can answer the following questions. First, what is the total distance that someone would have to travel in between operations through the entire process? You can find this by walking the flow of the process. Next, how much is the total time of that distance traveled? And finally, what is the total time of the entire process? We look forward to reading your answers, and we'll see you in the next module.